This new AI job pays $375,000 per year and has funding from Google. It uses a ChatGPT skill called prompt engineering and has unlimited paid time off. If you want to learn how to become a prompt engineer, be sure to stay tuned. Alright, so what exactly is a prompt engineer? Well, the term prompt engineer is quite new. It has only been around for about 2 years. So if you want to be a prompt engineer, you probably are going to have to keep up with what's going on in the news and learn about large language models. Prompt engineers are masters at communicating with large language models like ChatGPT. So how do you become a prompt engineer? Well, OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, actually have prompt engineering guides right on their website, free for you to download and read. Also, here on YouTube, there are tons of free tutorials on how to become a prompt engineer. Or you can subscribe to my newsletter where every week I'll give you free prompting tips, in addition to keeping you up with the new trends in AI. So what about Anthropic? Why are they paying so much? Well, Anthropic is an artificial intelligence company in the general artificial intelligence space. That's probably why Google invested nearly $400 million into Anthropic. And what Anthropic really wants you to do is to be able to communicate to customers and communicate with AI. You're their intermediary. So in addition to having these skills, they also want you to have some experience with representative projects. But wait, why do they pay so much? Have you ever had an idea? Imagine being able to communicate an idea into reality. That is what a prompt engineer does. They take an idea from your mind and make it into reality. I once had a time when I was trying to work with a developer on making an application for me and my team to help me better manage my business with my clients. And it was frustrating. It took years just to get what I wanted to do into the program, into the application. And by the time I got what I wanted into the app, it was 2 years too late and I had already figured out a workaround. Imagine being the person to take what the client wants, talking to the computer, and having it created for you in an instant. That is what a prompt engineer does. Now imagine if you could do that for your side hustle. Tools like Jasper AI, Copy AI, image tools like Midjourney, Runway ML, Kyber AI. All of these tools rely on our ability to take text, our words, feed them into the AI and create these wonderful blog posts, scripts, images, and even videos that can express what we want to say and how we feel. This is the new age of content creation. And that's why they're paying $375,000 for this skill. Now imagine if you could master this skill, but for your own side hustle. How much could you scale your business this way? For more tips on how you can scale your side hustle with AI, be sure to sign up for my newsletter, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.